In this video, you'll learn how to add a rating feature in Notion. By following this guide, you will be able to create a rating system within your Notion pages effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage where you can log in or create an account if you haven't already done so. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Add New Page in the sidebar. This action will open a blank page for you to work on. You will recognize that the page is blank when the main area of the screen is empty. After that, type /database into the blank space on your new page. A drop-down menu will appear showing various database options. This step is crucial as it allows you to create a database to store your ratings. Now click on Databases Inline from the drop-down menu. Once you do this, you will see a new inline database appear on your page, ready for further customization. Following this, click on the blank space within the newly created database. This allows you to add a new entry, which will be essential for your rating system. Then click on the new page option that appears. This will prompt a new page to open where you can define the specifics of your rating system. Type in a name for your new page, which could be something relevant to the ratings you plan to collect. After entering the name, ensure that you click on the blank space again to finalize your entry. Proceed by clicking on New Page once more. This will allow you to create another page for additional rating categories or entries. Type in the name of this second page as well. After naming it, click on the blank space to confirm the entry. Now click on the blank space again to prepare for adding properties to your database. This is where you will define the rating criteria. Next, click on Add Property in the database settings. A new options menu will appear, enabling you to add various attributes to your database. Select the Select option from the property types available. This step allows you to create a drop-down selection for your ratings. You will need to click on Select again to configure the property further. This action opens up more options for customization. Now, click on Edit Property to modify the settings of your select property. This is where you can define the rating options available for users. After that, click on the plus icon to add new rating options. A new field will appear, allowing you to input the ratings you want to offer. Type in a rating that you would like to add, such as 1 star or 5 stars. After entering the rating, click on Add to finalize this option. You can add more options for ratings by repeating the previous 2 steps. Ensure that you provide a variety of ratings to choose from. Next, click on a blank space to confirm the addition of your rating options. This step is important to ensure that your changes are saved. Then click on the select box in your database. This will allow you to see the rating options you have created for selection. Finally, click on the option in your rating that you wish to select. This action will confirm your choice and finalize your rating system. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.